Hello everyone. Among the 3 or 4 CS and BBA, the BMW 3 Series currently has the highest cost effectiveness, and the discount has reached the lowest price. In this issue, let's discuss which configuration of this model is most worth buying, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of this model. First of all, the front face has BMW's iconic family design, luminous grille LED headlights and smoked night appearance kit, including a set of 18-inch double-spoke dark gray aluminum alloy wheels. Just for this appearance, you have to buy the 330 Li Sports Night Kit, which is more handsome than the Audi A4 and more sporty and younger than the Mercedes-Benz C-Class. If you are 23 or 34 years old, just graduated from college, or around 28 to 30 years old. Enthusiasts who are in the rising stage of their careers and pursue driving pleasure focus on the combination of control and power performance. This 330 is also a more suitable choice for you. It comes standard with a BMW B48 longitudinal rear-wheel drive inline-four 2.0T turbocharged engine, with a standard configuration of 272 horsepower, 400 Nm of torque, and official acceleration of 6.3 seconds, excellent chassis tuning, precise steering and invincible control. If you pursue family practicality, the trunk volume of this model is 480 liters, and its entire length is 4.829 meters, width is 1.827 meters, height is 1.463 meters, and wheelbase is 2.961 meters. It is positioned as a B-class luxury midsize sedan, and the back row is at least with you. You have left more than 2 fists of legroom because the front seats of this model are relatively forward. You can see the row of seats on the right. The seats in the car are made of synthetic leather seats, which are very wear-resistant and easy to clean, and are easy to take care of. They are standard with soft pillows, cup holders in the back row, and a panoramic sliding sunroof and a beige storage roof. The seat design is more sporty with strong waist and shoulder support, which can effectively fix the body and reduce roll, especially during intense driving. If you are looking for the ultimate comfort, it is recommended that you choose the Mercedes-Benz C-Class, and the long-axis version of the BMW 3 Series has also optimized the seat filling for the Chinese market, including the length of the seat cushion, which provides more support for the thighs and relieves fatigue. The car is equipped with a leather D-shaped sports steering wheel as standard, with a return mark on it, a through-type curved LCD screen, including a variety of color atmosphere lights in the car, a one-button start and electronic shift lever under the center console, wireless charging in the front row, including seat memory function on the door and a one-button folding exterior rearview mirror. There is also a small triangle on it for blind spot assistance, which can achieve lane assist. For the configuration selection, it is recommended that you choose this 330 Li Sports Night Package version, because this model is equipped with a 360-degree panoramic image driving recorder as standard, including a high-power 2.0T engine which is more powerful. It landed at the beginning of the second, which is really fragrant.